dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
Welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, my good people. Welcome back to your #1 channel for latest news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for this our green country, so we be Nigeria. And as we normally do, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come back with fresh reports we go like share with the general public. And the cocoa now be say the Edo State chapter of the People's Democratic Party, dem don't come outside dey accuse Governor Monday Okpebholo of Edo State of reckless spending on allegedly imposed local government chairmen. Now, for one statement wey dey signed and was later made available to Tori people on Thursday, wey be the 5th day of June for this year, so wey be 2025, the publicity secretary of Edo People's Democratic Party caretaker committee, wey be Chris Nekari, him now dey strongly denounce the ongoing unlawful imposition and continuation of imposters as local government chairmen by the administration led by Senator Monday Okpebholo, despite the unequivocal and enforceable rulings from competent courts for inside the nation Nigeria. And it is publicly documented say 2 court judgments dey ground wey dey mandate the immediate reinstatement of the legitimately elected council chairmen men wey dey remain the victims of Governor Monday Okpebholo's unprecedented assault. And these men they include Honorable Tajudeen Alade plus the chairman of ACCUS3D local government, and Honorable Zibiri Marvelous, the chairman of Etako West local government. This my good people, now the claims of Mr. Chris Nekari for his statement. Now the People's Democratic Party they let men they know say in separate declarative judgments, the courts be don determine say there was indeed a failure to adhere to the procedures outlined in section 19 of the Edo State local government law, and the duly elected council chairmen were not afforded a fair hearing prior to their unlawful removal. So therefore, the court nullified their removal. The court constantly ordered their immediate restoration and return to office, instructing the Inspector General of Police, Kayode Ebetokun, to ensure the provision of necessary security for the elected council chairmen to promptly resume their duties. This my good people now the orders of the court. The PDP now they remind the general public. The PDP now they sound them, they give Governor Monday Okpebholo. But however, my good people, the opposition camp now they observe. So upon say courts now don't drop clear rulings about these men them, along with several other injunctions regarding the issue. The administration of Monday Okpebholo don't persistently disregard the rule of law with impunity, undermining and trivializing the democratic process which distinctly delineates the governance structure at the federal plus state and local levels, as well as the principle of separation of powers. And now this behavior where the administration led by Monday Okpebholo now they portray is not only reprehensible, but it also represents a significant threat to the democracy of our green country, will be Nigeria. The PDP constantly proceed further the yarn. Say instead of Governor Monday Okpebholo to comply with the orders of the courts, him now don't embark on a vehicle purchasing spree for these illegal appointees, where him himself, the governor of the state, impose on the local government councils, wasting millions of taxpayers their money. And apart from the fact say the beneficiaries of this reckless spending are very much imposters, how can a state or even local government invest huge funds to go to purchase vehicles at this material time? Now the things where Governor Monday Okpebholo they do for Edo State is outrightly insensitive, and it they border on illegality, and it they demonstrate a clear misappropriation of public funds wey normally men supposed to use and do better thing, funds wey normally could have been channeled into improving the lives of Edo people who are currently experiencing untold hardship and suffering as a result of poor leadership and mismanagement of the economy by the All Progressive Congress-led government at all levels. And wetin just dey make the matter worse be say the volume of Governor Monday Okpebholo government to dey tolerate dissenting voices and opposition just dey increase. Dem now no dey carry ear hear when men dey complain about their administration. Just very recently for here, a UK-based Edo-born social media critic wey dey go by the name Albert Obazi, he now dey decry the alleged attack and destruction of his home from inside Benin City. by thugs allegedly led by the youth leader of the All Progressive Congress for inside Edo State, and this country person so dey go by the name Tony Kabaka, sake of his comments wey make about events, politics and governance for inside Edo State. Now sake of say this man talk im mind, sake of say this man drop his own point of view, im drop his remarks about the things and things wey dey play for inside Edo State, na why men now come go demolish his property wey worth millions of nairas was very much destroyed. Normally those kind levels no make sense at all. The PDP now dey let men dey know say the cowardly act among other attacks wey opposition members now no get choice but to endure in a few months wey Governor Monday Okpebholo now don enter office, na a reflection of the desperate tactics of a government wey dey lack popularity and wey don lost the trust and confidence of the people, and now they don resort to intimidation. They don switch to violence to silence the critics, their voices, and this is quite shameful. And to finalize their statement, the PDP now dey yarn say the reckless financial misappropriation of Governor Monday Okpebholo, e dey resort to illegality and gangsterism. It must be condemned by all, because last when rain fall, e no dey fall for one roof, e dey fall for all roofs dem. So make men know the reason say when the consequences now don come, when e be say time don reach now for men to dey reap the things and things wey dem sow, no be only one person that go reap am, e go affect everybody, e go touch everybody side. So e go nice, e go make more sense if the Edo State citizens now dem follow join body with the PDP to dey yarn dey give the governor say the things and things wey dey do, e no make sense at all, making change in ways. This, my good people, na the statement made by the publicity secretary of the Edo State People's Democratic Party Caretaker Committee, and this country person dey go by the name Chris Nehekiare. And this na the information, na the report wey I wan share with the general public. Now, anyhow this matter be you for body, or if you be say get contributions, no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your remark, feel free make you put down your contribution, feel free make you drop down your comment inside our comment section. Once again, now we be reality latest gist. Now they like give on our latest news on politics and many other cocoa with the sup for this our green country, so we be Nigeria. And now if you be say like this update and you would like to receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as they bring more news they come your side, now go first receive the update and you go even get them sharp. And also try make you share the news, give your family and friends, so that them too they go know what they sup for inside our nation Nigeria, so that them go know what they play for inside Edo State. Now me they go get more news, me they go get more reports, me they go gather more intel for you, my good people. Try make it no go anywhere.